Hey guys, today we are going to see 9 by 9 Rangoli. There are 9 dots vertically and 9 dots horizontally, and then 2 dots at each of the corners we've kept. So, the base for this big Rangoli is a 4 by 2 basic Rangoli design. I will put a link for that basic design video down in the description. Do check it out. Now let's get started with this big Rangoli design. So start from the top section. You will loop around it. Then make a diagonal over 2 dots. Another diagonal over 2 dots. And then continue it down below. Go to the next section. And we'll be doing the same. We'll do a diagonal over 2 dots, diagonal over the other 2 dots, circle around the corner dot, and repeat the same. As I mentioned earlier, I'll put the link below for the basic design video. Once you guys look at that, this should be pretty simple. And there you go. We have a beautiful Rangoli design. Do try this out guys, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos on how to easily do Rangoli designs. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye bye.